It's feet kills.
Original.
Ladies and gentlemen, her.
Hi guys, what do you do? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angie and I'm back again with another video. In today's video, basically you guys are going to be watching me do this crisscross knotless box braids. Yes, if you can already tell, those are not exactly knotless braids. I forgot it was supposed to be knotless braids while doing it, and also my hair is 4C natural hair, so definitely I had to tweak some things about the style. For instance, I don't have my hair out just by itself. I actually have them in twist. Anyway, if you're new to my channel and this is your first time seeing my face, you're most definitely welcome. On this channel is good vibes and nothing but good vibes, and if you enjoy the video, you should definitely subscribe. You guys don't forget to like this video, comment down below and share this video, and without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we're starting out with my hair in its mildly wet natural state. By the way, I didn't bother to stretch my hair because every single time I do that, nothing happens. There's nothing. Now I'm parting my hair horizontally so that there is more of my hair in the back than there is in front. I'm actually using only my fingers to check how straight the line is, but I suggest that you use mirrors or you just ask for help from somebody around you. I'm now going in with my Shine and Jam hair gel to make the part more clear, and I just apply it like I applied my hair cream. Once I have the product all around the part, I go back in with my cotton or pattern comb and I try to make the part more visible. At this point, I decided to have 6 crisscross joints in front, so I'm just parting the middle of my hair. That helps me know that I need 3 crisscross pairs on each side of the part. Now I'm using a rubber band to pack one section so that my part remains uninterrupted. Then I'm going to divide the other section into 3 for my 3 crisscross pairs. Once I divide the second half of my hair into 3 pairs, I just pack the other 2 so that I can work on one section at a time. Now I'm applying Shine and Jam so that I can make my part more visible, of course. Like, you need edge control when you're braiding your hair. It just helps you with your pattern and everything. And once I have my part as clear as I want it to be, I'm just going to part the hair in a way that I have 6 boxes to work with at the end of the day. I don't know how to explain it. But hopefully you guys can watch the video and get an idea of what I'm saying. When I part a braid, I just start out with 3-strand braiding and then I later transform that into 2-strand twist. I don't finish the end of the braids, by the way. And basically you just want to repeat the same braiding step for all the boxes till you have a total of 6 braids or twists in that section. to the end of the section, and at the end of the day you should have something very similar to this. By the way guys, ignore my voice if it's like, ignore my voice. I have a cough right now, so my voice is not at its best at the moment. Now as you go into other sections, you will need to calculate and modify the number of boxes in that section. It cannot be the same amount in all sections. For example, in this section I have a total of 10 boxes instead of 6, and I basically did the same steps to get my crisscross pattern. Once I was done with all 6 sections, this is what I ended up with. It's kind of messy, but it's not too messy, and it's cute, and it's firstly natural hair, so whatever. Now we are getting into the braids at the back, and for the part, I simply just did them like normal braids. I went for the box parts, applied some gel, added my extensions, and braided them to the end. And I basically just repeated this step a couple of times till I got to the end of the back section. But yeah, like I said before, I know the braids were supposed to be knotless, but I've forgotten at this point, so I just went with normal braids. If you want to do knotless braids, you just start by braiding your hair first, and as you keep braiding, you keep adding extensions till you get your braid to be as thick as you want it to be. But in my case, I completely forgot, so I'm just doing the regular braiding technique. If you see me adding hair, that's because I wanted it to be longer, or I felt like the hair was getting too thin. It wasn't anything like knotless braids. Now for the braids on the actual crisscross pattern, I start out by taking out the twist till the point where the rubber band holds them. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but you know how we twisted it for a while. I'm basically taking out those twists till it stops at the rubber band. When I was done braiding, I simply trimmed each and every braid. Yes, I did that. I put the hair in hot water and then I applied some mousse. And basically, I ended up with my hair looking like this.
It's ℎ𝕒𝕠𝕣𝕠𝕠.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another.